I grew up in Japan using bidets, so I recently did a little trial testing a $25 portable bidet, an $199 bidet seat, and an $1,599 smart toilet to see which one was worth the hype and which ones were just astronomically overpriced. First, let's compare the features of each. I miss my bidet when I'm not at home, so the $25 Tushy travel bidet was great for pooping on the go. It's very portable, the collapsible design is ideal for traveling, and it has a carabiner you can hook onto your bag. To use it, you simply fill it with water, squeeze the bottle upside down, and the angled 3-hole nozzle sprays a steady stream of water. The water pressure was nice. I like that I could completely control the pressure by how hard I squeezed it, and the water temperature is completely based on where you fill it up from, so that will vary. It took a few seconds to aim the spray correctly when I was sitting down on the toilet, but I can see it being super helpful for camping trips if I ever had to poop in the woods. Going on the go just got way easier, and I could definitely see myself taking it to work, music festival, a road trip, or a camping trip. When it came to drying, I did what I typically do after using a bidet. I used a few squares to pat dry. Afterwards, I rinsed the bottle, dried it, and put it back in the air mesh carrying case it came with. I would rate it an 8 out of 10 since it works well, but requires a little technique at first to get used to. This bidet is really perfect for people who poop when they're out, and I actually made a video explaining how to poop outside when camping, traveling, or at festivals. Watch that next. Up next, the $199 Tushy Wave bidet seat. The Tushy Wave is a non-electric bidet seat that replaces your pre-existing toilet seat. It has an easy turn knob that allows you to adjust the water pressure from a gentle rinse to a strong targeted spray. The knob built into the side of the bidet also allows you to adjust the angle of the spray with one nozzle for front wash and one for rear wash. It's a non-electric bidet seat with single temperature control, so the temperature of the water is room temp. If you do want a non-electric bidet attachment that has full temperature control from cool to warm water, you can check the Tushy Oasis that taps into your sink for warm water. The Tushy Wave replaces your existing toilet seat with a sleek, seamless design for stability and comfort. It comes in both round and elongated shapes to match your toilet perfectly. The nozzle has a self-cleaning feature that rinses itself before and after each use to guarantee a clean spray every single time. You don't have to worry about cross-contamination. I'd give the Tushy Wave a 9 out of 10 since it's very efficient and effective at getting me clean. I do love all the features and its elegant simplicity, but I miss the warm water feature. If you're still wondering if a non-electric or electric bidet is best for you, check out this video next. Next up is Tushy O. This is Tushy's newest, most luxurious full electric bidet toilet. It comes with a remote control that allows you to customize your clean with 5 levels of water pressure control and 6 settings of full temperature control, up to 102 degrees. That's a whole lot of customization. And it has instant on-demand heated water that never runs cold. And I've got to say, warm water is a game changer, especially in the winter. What I love most is that it has a heated seat with 6 temperature settings up to 108 degrees Fahrenheit. The eco mode saves your seat temperature preference and automatically conserves energy when the toilet isn't in use. How perfect! The heated seat is a luxury and I love it in the mornings. It's like sitting on a warm cloud, you know? Something that I've seriously learned to appreciate is the hands-free auto open and close lid. There are motion sensors built into the base that detect your presence, opening and soft closing the lid for you. There is also an integrated LED night light that illuminates your bathroom with a soft glow to guide you in the dark. Oh. It's perfect. It also has a built-in warm air dryer that can be adjusted up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow! It only takes about a minute to fully dry me off. And I still use a tiny bit of toilet paper for speed, which is much less than what I used before. I only use a few squares to pat dry before I would use a whole bunch of toilet paper to wipe and wipe and wipe. The Halo spray mode alternates between 3 pressure settings for a gentle massaging effect, and it seriously hits every nook and cranny. O is fully remote controlled, so you can adjust all of the features that I've just mentioned at the touch of a button. And if you don't want to use the remote, you can simply use the side knob to activate front or rear wash. What really elevates O over Tushy's other electric bidet models is the special cloud spray feature. This is O's auto foaming bowl cleanser. It primes and freshens the bowl with the press of a button on the remote, and it also reduces splashback during use. And if that isn't enough, after every use, the bowl and nozzle are automatically cleaned with UV sterilization for 3 minutes. Can you say luxury? I'd give O and its features a 10 out of 10. It will serve you the most premium bathroom experience you can possibly get. Next, let's look at the installation for each model. The Tushy travel features no time at all. This is literally already done. All you have to do is pop the bottle open, fill it with water, and go. The Tushy Wave install is super easy. It takes about 10 minutes, but it is a simple DIY install that anyone can do. And all the instructions and pieces for installation come in the box, so you're ready to go. All you have to do is turn off the water supply behind your toilet seat, remove the existing toilet seat, replace it with the Tushy Wave seat, connect the bidet seat to the water supply line, and ta-da! You're done. Wave fits on most standard toilets with a universal secure fit. It comes with both round and elongated shapes, so it will fit any size bowl. I'd rank this a 10 out of 10. It's easy for anyone who can follow instructions. Seriously, no plumber or electrician is needed. Next, Tushy O. The installation process is a little more complicated here as you have to fully replace your pre-existing toilet. Everything you need for installation is inside the box, including a wax ring, toilet flange, T-adapter, mounting hardware, remote control with batteries, and a wall mount remote holder. Plus, you'll get a 1-month free supply of the Cloud Spray Auto Foaming Cleanser. Really cool. You'll need access to a 3-prong 120-volt GFCI electrical outlet within 3 feet of your toilet and a standard cold water supply line. If your bathroom doesn't already have an outlet near the toilet, you will need an electrician to add one before installation. I would give O an 8 out of 10 since it is the most complicated out of the models I've discussed, but it is definitely worth the effort. Today, I'm comparing different Tushy bidet models, but if you want to watch how Tushy compares to other well-known bidet brands like Toto, watch this video next. The next topic we will look at is value for price. The Tushy Travel is just $25. It is the best for traveling, camping, or pooping away from home, like when you're at the office or at a friend's house. Cost per use for a year is around just 7 cents a day. For value, I'd rate this a 10 out of 10. It is portable, and you can't beat $25 for a bidet that goes anywhere. Tushy Wave, it's priced at $199, and it's the best if you're looking for an easy install bidet seat that will elevate your everyday pooping experience but not break the bank. And you probably don't even realize you're spending hundreds of dollars a year on toilet paper, so this one-time purchase will actually save you money and pay for itself after a few months, since bidet users report using up to 75 to 80% less toilet paper after switching to a bidet. Its cost per use for 1 year is about 55 cents per day. I'd rate the value of the Tushy Wave a 9 out of 10. It's definitely worth it for the clean experience, but if you can't afford that price tag, Tushy has many other models and attachments at a lower price. Next is Tushy O, listed at $1,599. This model is best for a full bathroom upgrade or remodel. It's also ideal for those seeking luxurious features or a bidet with simple, easy accessibility. Its cost per use for 1 year is about $4.38 per day. I'd rate this value a 10 out of 10. Although it's the priciest of the 3 models I'm comparing, it's definitely worth it for the premium features. Seriously, it's life-changing. In my next video, I'll compare Tushy Aura versus Toto S7 to see which is actually worth it. Subscribe and don't miss it. So my final verdict, which is the best? Buy the $25 travel bidet if you travel frequently, want to try a bidet without commitment for pooping away from home, or you're on a very tight budget. Buy the $199 Tushy Wave bidet seat if you want the best value for home use, you want easy installation, and you're ready to ditch toilet paper. A simple bidet attachment is my #1 recommendation for most people. It's great for the first-time bidet users or for those who already love bidets. Buy the $1,599 smart toilet if you want a bathroom that feels like a 5-star hotel in Japan. You're seeking luxurious features to elevate your bathroom experience, or you want a hands-off approach to cleaning. If budget isn't a concern for you, Tushy O is your best choice. The truth is, you can't go wrong with any Tushy bidet. All 3 models I discussed are linked below, and you can check out all of Tushy's bidet models and learn which is best for you in this video. So, which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. Thanks, and see you next time!